How to use Kakaotalk. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use Kakaotalk. In order to use Kakaotalk for beginners, all you have to do is watch this video till the end. The first step is you have to install the application. For that, head over to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Kakaotalk, and this is how it's going to look like. In my case, I already happen to install it, so now click the open button and you should start creating your account. So first thing, it's going to ask you to enable all of the permissions, so click on the accept button, and then it's going to ask you to provide in the email or a phone number. So click the sign up button located right at the bottom. Make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click on agree and continue located right at the bottom. Now it's going to ask you to provide in the phone number and click the OK button if you're sure about the number that you've provided. It's going to send you a verification code, so now click on send verification message. Then you will be able to see the verification message right over here, so click on the continue button and send the message in order to get a verification. So it's going to take a while in order to get you the verification code, so till then you have to wait patiently until you receive the phone number. So this is going to take a lengthy process, and after you're done confirming or verifying your phone number, then it's going to take you to the other field where you'll be asked to create a username, confirm your email address, providing your contact details, your address and all that. And basically you have to move on to the next step where you have to create a username and a password. So according to the criteria mentioned, go ahead and create an account. Moving on to the next step, you have to go through the terms and condition one more time and confirm all of the information. And as you've done that, set a profile and your bio and all that, and you can start talking to your friends or family on Kakaotalk. So that's basically how you can use Kakaotalk. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.